Today we're going to go over how to launch Windows Performance Monitor and also go over its features, what it's for, and why we need it. First thing we're going to do is go to the Start menu, go to the search box, type in Perfmon, or as you start to type Performance Monitor, it'll come up in the list of options, and you just click on Performance Monitor, and your Performance Monitor window will open. And as you can see right here in System Summary, you can see some figures already starting to calculate as it's running, and it's showing the different usage as far as time goes. Processor time, idle time, and all that good stuff. Performance Monitor provides a visual display of built-in Windows performance counters, either in real time or as a way to review historical data. You can add performance counters to Performance Monitor by dragging and dropping or by creating data collector sets. It displays multiple graph views so that you can visually review performance log data. And as an administrator, you may choose who can access certain features of this program, and you can do this by selecting specific group members that are also known as a user group. And then you can choose for them to be able to log files for viewing, and can change display properties while viewing historical data, or choose for them not to be able to create or modify data collector sets or view real-time performance data. First thing you want to do is click on Performance Monitor, and then you're able to see the display window that shows the performance, and it's monitoring it right now. As you can see, it's going across the screen. And you see how it changes every few seconds. Now, you can choose to add data collector sets. You can create a data collector set from a template from an existing set of data collectors in a Performance Monitor view, or by selecting individual data collectors and setting each individual option in the data collector set properties. We are going to create a data collector set from the Performance Monitor. So what you're going to do to add the counters, you're going to go to Performance Monitor, click Add Counters. You add the counters by clicking on the plus sign. See, as it says Add, or hit Control N at the same time, and it'll bring up the Add Counters dialog box. And you can choose to add individual information to be monitored. And you can see down here it shows you the instances of each selected object. We're going to do memory. We can to cache. Okay, and we're just going to go with those for right now. And you just hit OK. And as you can see, it starts calculating them here. And from right here, you can choose to take away certain ones. As you can see, it's not as bunched up when I start taking things away. See, there's a big difference. You can see the different counters a lot easier. Now I guess we should go through and put all these back and then see how that does our counters this time. You can see it's going to bog down here in just a second. See how full it's getting there? I think that's got everything back on it. And you can choose for this there's a pause button here, and you can pause it where it'll stop moving. And then you can save your image. I'm going to save it to my desktop and label it perf image. Then you can right click on data collector sets, create a new one by going to data collector set. Then you can label this whatever you want. We can label it my performance. Then click next. We're going to keep it on system performance. Click next. We're going to keep it on the default root directory. And run it as the default. We want to save and close it. Click finish. And that will be it. Thank you.